Hello, I'll be doing close shots. With my Nerf gun. Okay, I'm gonna shoot that picture right there. See? Right there. Yeah, right there. Okay, ready? Oh! I think you can't see it, but I'll just take it over there. I'll show you the Nerf bullet I just shot. That's the Nerf bullet. I shot the picture. And Shay, can you come help me? Shay!
What?
Can you help me record this video?
Record what?
Showing the target.
What target? What target?
Your face.
What are you shooting my face for?
Watch. Aw. Okay, this is gonna be a cool shot. Just watch. Oh, what the heck? Oops. Okay. I think you guys might wanna know what kind. I'm gonna do it like this. Right. See that?
Say girl.
I
all
missed.
over
Okay.
the world.
I'm gonna do
Shake your hips and put to work. I'm just gonna try. Okay. I'm gonna try to pull matrix here. Okay, so I'm trying to shoot me.
Okay.
So right there.
Okay.
You have to be like one. You have to say 1, 2, 3 when you're gonna shoot me.
Okay. Okay. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Go 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. This you?
Okay, do it again.
1, 2, 3.
You do it, Jeff. You do it.
Okay, so you always try with you. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See 1, 2, 3 then.
Oops. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Okay, 1, 2, 3 again.
1, 2, 3. Oops, I forgot.
Okay, do it again.
1. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's okay. You're like way back there.
Okay, do it again.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. My turn.
Oh,
Good.
good. I'm trying to do it backwards.
Okay.